Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. This is another video, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to log out from your WhatsApp on other devices, because who knows, maybe someone has been using your WhatsApp account on other devices, or you have logged it in and you have forgotten to log it out on some stranger's PC, or you've been playing internet cafe. So let's head over to our WhatsApp app. And because your WhatsApp app is like a remote control for everything WhatsApp related, you can just head over here, click on this three dots and click on link devices. Then as you can see, you can tap a device log out. For example, this one, Windows, it was last active just a while ago. Just click on log out and it should log out literally your WhatsApp device from that, your WhatsApp account from that device. And to show you that it does work, let me show you. Here is a recording of me recording my PC to show you that it does work, that the account has been logged out. So prior to this, I have been using WhatsApp on this PC, and I just clicked on logout, and as you can see, we are now back to welcome to WhatsApp, and you just need to log in again if you want to use WhatsApp on this PC again. But that is how you log out from other devices on WhatsApp. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. See you in the next one. Bye bye. This is Generation Unravel. Yes.